Hi Instagram.
And hi Facebook.
Today we're gonna go through questions.
Yep.
And hope you get the value out of this for content.
So Farah asked how to start creating content.
How to start creating content, it all depends on your strength. So some people are very good at writing.
Yes.
Some are very good just talking to a camera like this.
Yeah.
Some are very, very good, in
Creating
design.
videos,
design, creating graphics.
Yeah.
So how to start creating? Actually, there's no sweet spot. It's just start. Start from what you are good at. So if you are, especially if your question is like how to start, if you are, let's now we talk about your resources. If you are a one-person team or a two-person team, of course, leverage on your strength.
Yeah.
If you are very good at writing, so get a whole team to create a lot of written content.
I think there is two parts to it, right? Like just like what you say,
Yeah.
One part is where you leverage on your strengths, right? That's one easy way for you to start off straight away.
Yeah.
But at the same time, you look at the platforms these days, and I think like right now, 2019, video seems to be one thing that's going crazy. And why? Because Facebook, let's just take Facebook for example. They're giving a lot of attention to videos, to live broadcasts, and because of that, you might also want to shift your content strategy to be a little bit to look into live related stuff as well as videos, right? So I think when you want to start creating content, the easiest way is to always start off with something that you're strong at, right? But at the same time, keep in mind what all these platforms are emphasizing right now. It's not that they are penalizing other forms of content. It's just that they're emphasizing on certain forms of content.
Yeah.
So for you, like what you say, start off with something that you think that you're good with.
Yeah.
Secondly is let's just pay attention to what is in trend right now.
Third thing I want to add to that, the reason why I say start with something that you're strong with is nowadays you can actually repurpose the content.
Yeah,
so imagine
exactly.
you are this live, we are talking right now, so we'll probably cut this video and put it into many parts, put a link in, put in whatever. So secondly, if we start creating a lot of videos, we can also transcribe the videos so that it can be, if we rewrite it can be text content. So that's called repurposing. Thirdly, if we strip out the audio, then it can be podcast. So from creating what you are strong at, you can get someone to repurpose it into different forms.
Yeah.
So start creating whatever you can. So if, for example, you're good at writing, so once you've written a bunch of articles, then you should sit down, hey, maybe we can put the article onto Lumen 5, which is a free, shout out to Lumen 5, which is a free video creation application where you put in your blog articles and it will turn into videos. So once you start creating content, there's always a lot of ways to repurpose it.
Yeah.